Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the section of working with Python, today we are going to see the module and library of Pandas. So our first basic concept will be of demonstrating an array-like object in Pandas. So we have a demo program over here, that is, write a Pandas program to create and display a one-dimensional array-like object containing an array of data. So let's get started. First we'll import Pandas library. So import Pandas as PD. You can take any object over here. I just take PD so that it's very easy to see that whatever object you're using is referring to which library. So normally in programming consentees, people use the short forms as they are using in the standard form. It's like a standard form, SI unit or something like that. It's not necessary to always keep that name. Next we take an object, a variable, and we say PD dot series. We take an array 2, 3, 4, 5, and just we run the code, and in the console you can see that the series is being printed over here and it is showing the type integer 64. Now while using Pandas is used for data science. It's basically a data science library, or is used in machine learning and AI at some places. So whatever you will see, it will the series function will definitely give here the format of the integer. Like if it's integer, then it will give integer. If it's float, then it will give float. Let's take another example. Let's take names. Series and we'll write names, and then keep showing that they are string. Okay, and then note. And now as we have done this, we will run the code. You can see that over here when it's printing names, it's showing data type as object as in form of string. Down here it was printing in the form of integer. So you can see that you get different types of data types over here. Let's say decimals, and it's the PD dot series. Let's see what we get over here. 1.1, 2.3, 1.5, and then we just print decimals. In the output window you can see over here the data type is float. So whatever is the data type, it will show you whether it's float, object or string, and integer type. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such content to Technostic. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.